Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Catherine and today's video is very exciting if you live in the Philippines or if you're Filipino, because I found a job that you can teach from your phone online. I'm very excited, very hyper right now. I will calm down. But ever since I posted a video about if you can teach VIP Kid in the Philippines, I've gotten a lot of requests from friends who live in the Philippines and just other people who live in the Philippines who found my video asking me if they can apply for VIP Kid. And unfortunately, no, not VIP Kid. But I found something even better. Palfish! On Palfish, you teach Chinese students English through your phone or a tablet. There are 25-minute classes. The classes are done for you. You just go through the slides with your students and you get paid. Okay? Now, I don't know the exact pay for Filipinos, but I found somewhere that said 180 to 268 pesos per class. And again, a class is 25 minutes, so not bad for only 25 minutes. The requirements is you do need a TESOL certificate, and I will link links that I find for Filipinos down in the description. I found a few other channels that talk about, I don't know if it's Palfish necessarily, but Anna Tells, she has a whole video about the TESOL for Filipinos. It's only 499 pesos, so I will link all that down below. You do need a TESOL to apply, so get the TESOL and then apply to Palfish, and then you can make anywhere from 180 pesos to 268 pesos per 25-minute class. So that is so exciting. Pretty positive that the interview and application process for Filipinos is the same as the one I took. So I have tons of resources on my YouTube. I have the interview, I have how to get paid, you have to get paid in your account, all that fun stuff. So check out those resources if you need any help. My affiliate link is down below, or my code to apply. And yeah, by using that, you can message me on the app, you can email me at heycatherinedavis@gmail.com, and I'll be sure to help you with any questions that you have, any hurdles you need to get through. I am here for you. So if you're Filipino and you've been wanting to teach online, this is a great thing. You don't need a computer, you can teach on your phone, so it's pretty cool. If you live in the Philippines, if you are Filipino and are looking for an online teaching job, I got you. Palfish. Again, let me know if you have questions. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!